Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are your joints getting stiffer as you age, feeling tired, foggy, or inflamed after eating, but can't figure out why? Here's something most doctors never tell you. Your kitchen might hold stronger healing power than your medicine cabinet. By 60, your body loses up to 75% of its natural collagen, your cells slow down, and inflammation rises. But certain foods can reverse that process. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal one food proven to heal faster than some supplements. More and more studies are proving what ancient medicine already knew. Food can heal. Chronic inflammation, joint pain, fatigue, poor skin, even high blood pressure, many of these start in your cells and gut. Food isn't just calories, it's information for your genes. It tells your body whether to heal or to break down. So today, we'll break down foods that act like natural medicine, backed by modern research. The concept isn't new. Hippocrates said it 2,500 years ago, "Let food be thy medicine." Now the science backs it up. Studies show that diet can influence gene expression, the microbiome, and the immune system. Doctors are prescribing produce instead of pills. In programs called Food as Medicine across U.S. hospitals. Foods rich in polyphenols, antioxidants, and natural peptides act almost like mild drugs, but with no side effects. Think of food as natural code. Every bite sends messages to your cells to fight inflammation, repair tissue, or regulate blood sugar. Let's start with turmeric, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Its active compound, curcumin, reduces chronic inflammation and helps with arthritis, gut inflammation, and even depression. But here's the secret. Your body can't absorb curcumin alone. Pair it with black pepper, which stain on which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. A 2024 meta-analysis confirmed that curcumin can reduce CRP, C-reactive protein, a major marker of inflammation. Add turmeric to soups, eggs, or golden milk. It's like giving your body a daily anti-inflammatory pill from nature. Next, the combo of ginger and carrots, proven to boost digestion, improve circulation, and calm inflammation. Ginger fights oxidative stress and supports detoxification by improving liver enzymes. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, crucial for immune and skin repair. Blend them together, you get a natural detox tonic that beats sugary drinks. 1 cup daily can help reduce bloating, strengthen immunity, and even support hormone balance. If this is helpful, keep watching Sexter Undao. Because coming up next, I'll share the food that acts like a natural blood pressure medication. And it's probably in your kitchen right now. Green tea isn't just calming, it's medicinal. It's rich in catechins like EGCG, known to lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and fight cell aging. Recent studies show daily green tea drinkers have a 20–30% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants in green tea also protect your brain, slowing age-related decline. To maximize the effect, brew it for 3 minutes, not boiling. High heat destroys its antioxidants. On wooden counter, warm natural light. Tiny but mighty, chia and flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant protein. They lower bad cholesterol, balance hormones, and support the gut microbiome. Research shows chia seeds help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, all while keeping you full longer. Add a spoonful to your smoothie or overnight oats. That's your daily dose of natural medicine. If you've tried any of these foods, comment below. What's worked best for you? I read every comment. Honey isn't just sweet, mats. Nenger dao de jaulen, stau now den chabam anan. It's medicinal. In hospitals, medical-grade honey is used to heal burns and wounds faster than many creams. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and soothing for sore throats. Even garlic soaked in honey becomes a potent natural antibiotic. Nature's medicine chest isn't in a pharmacy, it's often in your pantry. Cumin seeds, a spice most people overlook, are rich in peptides that lower blood sugar and fight oxidative stress. Alfalfa sprouts, full of chlorophyll, vitamin K, and enzymes, help detoxify the liver and support cholesterol balance. These aren't trends. They're ancient foods, finally proven by modern science. Researchers are now building nutrient databases that score how therapeutic each food is. It's the future of personalized nutrition. Here's the truth. Your body is always trying to heal. You just have to give it the right tools. Every meal is a chance to fight inflammation, strengthen your gut, and slow aging naturally. Start small. One healing food a day adds up fast. Remember, food isn't a replacement for medicine, but it's the foundation of healing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because next week, I'll share the evening foods that detox your body while you sleep. Your kitchen can be your best pharmacy. You just need to know how to use it.